Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the header area so you can work quickly. Double-click inside the top or bottom margin, or use Insert then Header or Footer to pick a layout. Once done, make sure to enable different first page if you want a unique cover header, or different odd, and even for alternating pages. This avoids fighting a single repeated design. You're starting actions now, not prepping endlessly. So insert a simple placeholder text or page number to confirm the area is active. Now design the header or footer. Insert page numbers, dates, or quick parts for document properties. Use alignment tools, tabs, or a one-row table to place items left, center, and right. This prevents shifting when content changes. Once placed, apply paragraph styles or specific fonts to keep consistency across sections. Make sure to check the header height so body text doesn't overlap. You'll also want to link or unlink sections, depending on whether each section needs unique headers. Finish by closing the header and footer view. Double-click the document body or choose Close Header and Footer. Once done, review section breaks and the link to previous toggle. Turn it off when sections require distinct headers. Make sure margins and header/footer distances are set so text never overlaps the header area. If things go wrong, check for unexpected section breaks or keep link to previous off. A quick fix is reducing header height or adjusting top margin to restore proper spacing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.